হ্যাঁ, আশা করি আপনারা সকলে ভালো আছেন। আমি আজকে আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো আপনি কিভাবে আপনি খুব সহজেই, ঠিক আছে? কিভাবে আপনি খুব সহজেই আপনার অনলাইন অনলাইনে আপনার খ্রিস্টান মেডিকেল কলেজ যেটা ভেলুর, সেই ভেলুরের অনলাইন অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট কিভাবে আপনি দিবেন। অনলাইনে আপনি অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট, ডক্টর অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট কিভাবে নেবেন অনলাইনে, ঠিক আছে? একদম এ টু জেড দেখাবো এবং আমি নিজে করেছি ডক্টর অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট। সেটা কিভাবে করলাম সেটা দেখাবো। তো যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে অবশ্যই লাইক এবং শেয়ার কমেন্টস করবেন। আর যদি না বুঝে থাকেন অবশ্যই আমাকে জানাবেন কমেন্ট সেকশনে। তো চলেন আমরা সেটা দেখি।
Just write down here CMC, and the page will become here. Just click on CMC. This line, and that's their website. Especially, this is the old campus. Their old campus here. First of all, I go to in patient portal. Here you can click patient portal. Whenever you click patient portal, that will be come. Make online appointment, online payment, email, or make online appointment. If you click online appointment, online payment, online make an online appointment. Generally took this, and you had to write down here patient's ID or password. If you're old patients or if you're new patients, that time you have to go new patients. So click here for details. You can go or your new patients to click in this. If you are new, okay. If you click in new, that new patients, okay, click here. That will come, okay, and then you can write here and click here and proceed. At that time that file will be open. So I have the old patients. For that reasons I don't go there. I will go in the old patients sections. Okay, this is the old patient sections, and write down here your ID number. My ID is 4113G. That is my ID, and here is my password. You can I'm giving here my password. Okay, I'm giving here my password. It's the processing. Okay, here is the password. Your session has expired. Click again. I go to here. Okay, I'm 114113G. Here is my ID. I come here, and now I go to the appointment. Here appointment, I going to the appointment. Click here CMC Vellore or CMC Chitur campus, or CMC Hospital. There are three category you can select. Here is the doctor clinic department. Okay, so I am going to be showing you about that's Ranipet campus. Okay, same categories, same things, but I am going to the same Ranipet campus. It's a new campus, and general instructions to be online, book online appointments. Click here. I have read and agree to the term and conditions. Just click here and proceed. Whenever you click and proceed, the inter pages will be open to in front of you. Okay, just keep it quiet because it's work here. Here is the regular. I already shown many kinds of doctor. For the reasons the list are come here 1 to 10. Okay, dermatology, infectious disease, hand surgery, other general doctor, and also there is a private doctor. If you're a different department, you have to click here show details. In details you can select regular OPD. There is a regular OTP or teleconsultations, that means audio visual, which you are going to. So I'm going to regular OTP, and there's a private and general. Private means that's all doctors are for professor. All doctors are the professor and the senior doctors. that is professor doctors, and the general doctors means that's only they passed the MBBS, but there is no other degree. Okay, that's called general doctor. And private doctor means they have lots of degree and also professor and high skilled doctor. That means private. Okay, so I select private. Okay, department, which department are you interested to visit? Okay, for the reasons there is different kinds of uh, department: cardio, uh, arthritis and pacemaker, cardiac, pelvic and structural heart, cardiology, cardio, through surgery, dentistry, development, ENT, endocrinology, endocrinology, general surgery. Yeah, there is a lots of department. You can scroll down. Here is a lots of dentistry. I selecting dentist. Okay, so selecting and select one clinic. Whenever you come your clinic here, we select the general dentistry, and then Monday, Wednesday, Friday OPD outpatients department days, and choose the date. And if you go the date, the time date will showing this. Oh. So whenever you select the doctor name or the date, that interface will become to you, and you have to fill up all things about that. And whenever you proceed, that will become okay. So let's do this. Okay. So here all are fill up. Everything's are fill up, and attendant is optional. If you fill up, that's all good. Or I don't think I don't need this, so for that reasons I proceed. Okay, here click proceed. Whenever click proceed, that will be so here that's the confirmations. Your authenticate using one-time password OTP. Your one-time password OTP has been sent to your mobile phone. Amount 140 Indian Christian Medical College. Date 12/3/2025. Card number 4276. Confirmations code. So they give the confirmations code here. If I show in my mobile, you will see the confirmations code are here in my mobile. So here we go, the confirmations code they send me here the message. Okay, we can go here. There 162, their customer use security code is here. Okay, here is the security code. Okay, 62 you are watching, that's 629964. So I confirm here. This is my international debit card. I using this card in different kinds of purchase, the USD dollar and also euro. I change by that international card. Okay, so this is my pin number. Again I saying 629964. Okay, so I submitting 629964. Okay, I'm submitting. Okay, I'm submitting. You are watching. Okay, okay, just wait. This is working. Payment successful. You watch. That's payment successful. Your payment has been proceed. Here are the details. This information is for your reference. View appointment detail. Here is my online ticket. Here, international Christian Medical international patients. Here is it. My appointment date 28 March 8 a.m. Okay, 28 March 8 a.m. General dentistry, Alpha Clinic, Christian Medical College, Scouter Road, Atto. So Dr. Robin Couch, credit, debit card, HDFC, like that, 840 rupees. Here is it. So by that way, anyone can book online payment and get your online appointment from Christian Medical College, CMC, or any kinds of hospital. You can take this appointment. So if you need any help, just comments in my comment sections. I will be there and ready to answer or ready to help to you. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos.